Hello. We at They Hurt the City are in the middle of a competition right now. We're trying to see which one of us can make the video that gets the most views. In order to do this, we're exploiting trending topics and YouTube videos to...
Meow Manor, Meow Manor, welcome to Meow Manor, Meow Manor, Meow Manor. Are you feeling like your kitty fur is quite a mess? Well, there is no need to fill up with cat distress. Right here at Meow Manor, you can groom away, 'cause every day at Meow Manor's a great hair day. Meow Manor, welcome to Meow Manor, Meow Manor, Meow Manor. Now say that you're a kitty that would like to play, not like those old kitty cats who do crochet. They have feathers on a stick, they have lots of string, and Meow Manor even has an awesome swing. Meow Manor, welcome to Meow Manor. You can scratch your claws, groom your paws, chase some string, try the swing, have some fun in the sun. Yes, Meow Manor has it all. Hang out here and have a ball. Welcome to Meow Manor. Hey guys, I'm back.
Action.